So I've got my digital scale here. This tells you so much information. There's actually over 50 different metrics, which you can see that on the app. And I'll show that here in a minute. But before I do that, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the scale itself. So we've got a sensor for your feet. We've got 2 for each side. So we've got a total of 4. This has this little string right here. It's retractable. And this is where we're going to put our hands. We've got a sensor on this side. That's 2 there. And you flip it on the other side, we've got 2 more. So we've got a total of 4 sensors. We've got a large screen here, which you'll see that in a minute when I actually step on it. On the back side, this is where our batteries are going to go. Just put it right in there. And it did come with those. I didn't have to purchase any. And then the top here, you can see here, it's a glass top. It looks really nice and sleek, super easy to use. So let's go ahead. I'm going to stand on it. We're going to see what the display looks like. And then we're going to look at the app and see all the information that it did record. So when you step on it, make sure, of course, you don't have any socks on. You're going to go ahead and grab this. Just hold it in this down position. And you can see as I stepped on it, the app is also, it's communicating with it, and it's recording my weight. And it takes probably maybe 20, 30 seconds for it to go ahead and start calculating everything. But then when it does, it's going to go ahead and display in the app. And then right down at my feet, you can see it's displayed even more. So that's really a large screen. Of course, you can look at the information right there below my feet, or you can go ahead and look at the app. So let's go ahead and look at some of this information here. It's going to list my weight, how much water I have, fat mass, bone mass. Right here is skeletal muscle. It's going to calculate my BMI, visceral fat. And then also we've got it'll say what the normal weight should be. It's going to show your body. I mean, look at all the information. It's just amazing how much it can calculate here through these electrodes. And then when you're ready to go ahead, if you want to do this every day, it's going to save all this information. And you can go ahead and track all this information for yourself over time, depending on what you're trying to do. Whether you're trying to build muscle, lose fat, things like that. It's all recorded. Super easy to use. The app, I was able to download this real easily and then connect it with the scale without any problem whatsoever. Hope you found this helpful.